it's Felicia and Elisa from You Do Updo. I hope you're having a great day. Elisa is going to start us off on the right foot by showing us an awesome updo.
Yeah, let's try something new every time. So today we're going to do another newer look. What happened is our hair is every day too boring, you know, no style, no nothing, and then we go to work. And I like to see the world to be happy. I like to see people happy, do different things, experience different stores, different type of updos, you know.
I think what you're really saying is like hair makes you happy and you think it's a way to express yourself, correct?
Yes, yes. And this way, you see, when we ponytail, because I have a bangs myself, if I don't want to have a bangs, I can always put all the way to the back. We can play with the hair, you know. Sometimes you get bored one way, sometimes you get bored another way. So we ponytail today, right now, like this. And then the back of it is so much hair and so hot. So we can just comb it out. Just comb it out without teasing the hair. You see, you can put it up and use another elastic and put it up. So we can have two elastic. The elastic is lasts you for the whole night. Sometimes you don't need to put it on with elastic, but using elastic can last you the whole night. You see, all this is done, and then you tied it up very tight in here. You see, two pieces. Two pieces. All you have to do right now is combination. If I want to have this kind of look, I can just put it like this, put a knock in here, you see it, and then tap it up, see? I cannot see the back, but I show you the idea. So we tack it up with the bobby pins and with bobby pins. See? That's so simple. And then this part is also the same way. You can make a two, divide it in two. You can do it 2 times. So you can not so much hair around your face. And then, you see, you just make a 2 knot and then put it there.
Cute. It's like a little mini bun.
Yes, yes. Sometimes you can do different things at the same time, so people can play around. Every time can do different things. Doesn't have to be all the time the same old. So you see, there you go, 1 mini bun, and then here, if you have a little bit left out, it's fine because you can always put detailing on the hair. See, everything that you creative on your own thoughts is perfectly fine. So, I almost done. Be creative is nothing wrong, and be beautiful is nothing wrong. You be yourself.
Be yourself.
Just be happy. Just teach the world how nice the world is with us, with appreciative that we are in such a good world and good places. And then this little piece that is hanging outside, you just curling iron just to give a little bit of touch look. And then by the time when you put a lipstick on, a earring on, all these kind of little details, you can do it yourself. There you go. This is my finished product. Something very simple.
And it was fast.
Yes, and then you can put bobby pins, you can put a lot of detailing stuff. If you like to put some decoration, just welcome. You know, there you go.
Very cute. I like the height.
That's good.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.
Yeah, and don't forget to like this video and follow You Do Updo.